Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix black screen in Apex Legends. So the first step, what you need to do here, you need to basically go on Steam if you're using Steam, and if you're using EA, go on EA and on your shortcut or on search, and then go to open file location here, and then here go to properties on Steam.exe file or on EA app. Then go to compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and also run this program as administrator, and then press apply OK. And once you do that, then you need to go to search and then go to gaming or game mode, game mode settings, and then make sure that game mode is on here, and on captures make sure to turn off record what happened here, and also go back on Xbox Game Bar and make sure to turn that off as well. And then what you need to do here, go to accessibility, go to visual effects and turn off all these three options here. Always show scroll bars, transparency effects, and animation effects. Right, and once you do that, then run Apex Legends, open up Task Manager, and then, for example, let's say here it's Apex Legends here, for example, EA, and then what you need to do here is to go to details, and then it should be this file here, then go to set priority and make sure to make it high. Right, and that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to fix black screen in Apex Legends. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.